In this video, let us learn case 2, that is, after applying the exception handling, if a method provides the runtime exception, what can be the execution behavior? Yes, we'll go to IntelliJ and we will create one more class. The class name is after handling the runtime exception handling. AFT, after handling the runtime exception. Since it is a public class, we need to specify the main method and we need to provide the class. So here already we have written a method. The same class I would like to do copy paste. And in the same package, the duplicate classes are never allowed. So for that purpose, for this particular class, I would like to provide the name called basic maths 1. So now we can call the same methods now. We can execute the same method. Since the class name is basic maths 1, we can just provide basic maths 1. This is the setup. Here, in this particular case, in case 2, after applying the exception handling, so here for division method, I would like to apply the division method body will be surrounded by try catch. Try catch arithmetic exception E. So E dot print stack trace. So currently we are handling exception in division method. So this division method only provides runtime exception. As soon as the division method is handling the exception by using try catch along with the appropriate exception class name in the catch block, it handles the exception. See, the try, as soon as the try block throws an exception, the particular exception caught by catch block, and it handles the exception. Because of this reason, the division method fails, but execution continues with the upcoming methods. So I would like to show here the first method called addition, second division modulus, the average of two number, and is even number. After execution of this particular method, it is trying to execute the division method. Since in division method we are trying to divide the 35 with 0, so it provides arithmetic exception. The exception is an object. It throws an exception object. Currently we are provided a try catch block. The catch block catches the exception it has thrown by the try block. So because of this particular reason, the execution continues with, yes, the division method fails. It will provide the stack trace, but the execution continues with the is odd number. This is odd number and is divisible by 9, multiplication, subtraction. In this way it will continue. So this is the difference between case 1 and case 2. Again, in case 1, without applying the exception handling, if the method provides a runtime exception, it will stop the execution abnormally. But if you can apply the exception handling, if the method provides the runtime exception, so in this case it will handle the exception. Since it is because the method is surrounded by try catch block, it handles the exception properly. That's the reason, instead of stopping the execution abnormally, it will continue the execution with the upcoming method. So this is the difference. Suppose in this particular method, if you can provide a valid input 5, in this case it provides appropriate output. Only if there is a invalid runtime exception, if there is an invalid input, it provides a runtime exception. Okay, then only we supposed to handle the exception. Okay, thank you.